Hi all, today I am going to discuss on the softening point test on bitumen. Coming to the concept and significance of the test, the term softening point denotes the temperature at which the bitumen attains a particular degree of softening. The determination of softening point helps to know the temperature at which a bituminous binder should be heated for various road use applications. And the objective of this test is to determine the softening point a given bitumen sample. The apparatus required for this test is the ring and ball apparatus, which consists of the steel balls. There will be two numbers of steel ball, each of 9.5 mm diameter and weighing around 3.5 grams, and brass rings, then ball guides to guide the movement of steel ball centrally, and a support that can hold rings in position and also allows for suspension of a thermometer, and a thermometer which can read up to 100 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of 0.2 degrees Celsius, and a water bath, and finally a stirrer. This is the figure of the ring and ball, the ball centering guide, then the ring and ball support, then the thermometer, and finally the beaker. Coming to the procedure, first of all we have to prepare the test sample so that we heat the material to a temperature between 75 to 100 degrees Celsius above its softening point and stir until it is completely fluid and free from air bubbles and water. Then fill the rings with the sample. So place the rings previously heated to a temperature approximately to that of the molten materials on a metal plate which has been coated with a mixture of equal parts of glycerin and dextrin. Then we are filling the bitumen into these rings. After cooling for 30 minutes in air, level the material in the ring by removing the excess with a warm sharp knife or a hot scraper. Then in a beaker we are filling it with distilled water until the level of the water is 50 mm above the top of the rings, and we are adding some ice cubes to maintain the temperature of 5 degrees Celsius, and we are stirring it thoroughly. Now assemble the apparatus with rings, thermometer and ball guides in position, and place the ring and ball support into the beaker. Using the forceps, place the steel balls that have been cooled in temperature 5 degrees Celsius previously on each of the ball centering guide. Then place the beaker on the top of the hot plate. The starting temperature should be 5 degrees Celsius. Then heat the water so that the temperature of the water rises at 5 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius per minute for the first 3 minutes. Then apply heat to the bath continuously until the sample is sufficiently soft to allow the steel balls to fall through the ring. As the temperature increases, the bituminous material softens and the ball sinks through the rings, carrying a portion of the material with it. Record the temperature when the asphalt specimen surrounding the steel ball touches the base plate. If the difference between two recorded temperatures exceed 1 degree Celsius, then repeat the test. Report the temperature to the nearest 0.5 degrees Celsius for both of the specimens. The record of observation will be like this. Sample 1 shows with the temperature at which the sample attains a particular degree of softening and touches the bottom plate, and likewise for sample 2, and we are taking the average of the two. The result will be like that in the form or in the unit of degree Celsius. That's all about the test, and thank you.